Hi guys, welcome to Divu Plays and how you doing? So I am going to do my multiplayer series. Why isn't my skin showing? Hello, skin. Wait, why isn't any skin loaded yet? I think I'll only load it up. On, huh? What happened to my skin? I think I have to choose it again. Yeah, today I'm playing like city type. My server skin is this, and on servers I play with this. If you want to add me in your friend list, my name is Shadow Dragon. S capital and D capital. And Dragon after Dragon DE. No space actually. So, and D capital and small E and F5 I mean. Because I wanted to use Shadow Dragon in my name. But I wasn't able to use because someone had already chosen Shadow Dragon. Boom. Categorized. Shadow Dragon 5. Marvel Survival Arm. I'll meet you guys when oh my gosh. I have to change my recorder. Master recorder. Not using. So guys, I did a more work on the house. Bum 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 bada bum. Bang. I mean, weird Simon. I'll show you in the first person. Wait a second. I'm on mobile, so it takes me a little time. You know that. A person who play on mobile. But I'm soon going to get a laptop, so I might play on that also. This is going to be the stair. I made the second floor. I did a bit interiouring on my bed. I was thinking to shoot, but there was no room free, which would be so quiet that there would be no disturbance in my video. What we say? Windows, and I use and this is going to be my home mine. It's going to be like that, like hold the way down. Full is going to be that. I didn't do the whole thing yet, and when I start getting like shroom lights and everything, it's not going to be torches. It's going to be shroom lights or glowstone. I'm thinking for the upper part I'll do glowstone. For this I'll use shroom light because glowstone is expensive. Yeah, glowstone is expensive. But right now for the inner part is going to be lanterns. So I think I can put lanterns. I can use only shroom lights for the downer part. First, let us get ready for that. What we say for the process. So we'll put empty our inventory. We need cobblestone. We need a lot of wood because yeah, wood is handy needed. Food is needed. So let's melt the food. Wow, I kill a lot of cows and pigs. Wait, let me see if any more. I can't kill more sheep, or else I'll never find any sheep in the whole entire world. Let's check if my luck is good today or bad. Ah, it went bad, but for only getting the chickens. I am believing that I might get what we say something good. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get the beef. And I dyed my bed red because there are some rose bushes near my house. Yep. So that I can prove you guys I didn't use creative. Because some of them say, like I see other people's comments, like say, hey, you used cheating to do the bed because you didn't proof. Proof. I'm proofing. So I don't need cocoa beans. I don't need beetroot. I do not need mushrooms. I do not need granite. I need my map. I can fill it from down. I think so. I do not need flint, but I'll keep it by chance. I'll need to make an iron pickaxe. I can smell it when I go down because, you know, food is needed. I don't think so. Some arrows are needed. Because, yep. Yeah. Now, let my inventory be like that. Boom. I don't need science, but who cares? It's just some science. And some chicken. While I'll make an iron pickaxe and 2-3 more stone pickaxes. So why am I preparing that? I'm like branch mining. Because I didn't complete. That query is actually going to be a village trading hall. Full downside. A big villager trading hall. Oh, I need coal. The most important thing right now I need is some more coal. I need a lot of coal. Whew. I have only 11? Why? God, why? Only 11 is so bad. But what can we do? We don't have a good luck. Have a good luck. Wait. Oh, I forgot. I have just covered the. What? I'm gone crazy. I think so. Now I have to go sleep and then come back. Cause I remember the other holes from where I can come back. Whew. But it would be actually good also. So let's jump down. Yep. I should really practice more MLG, but it's. Oh my gosh. I'm going to make a platform in which I will have like a lot of big tower and there would be slime down. If I'm not able to do, I don't want to die for just practicing MLG water bucket. I really want to change the texture of some slimes. Yeah, I think this is the cave, right? Yeah, yep, that's the cave. Wait, I didn't come. This side it was a bit long and it didn't have anything. Let's see this. Oh, iron. I need it because I need to make some LANTERS lanterns. Beautiful lantern because lanterns give like a special touch to the build. If you don't have lanterns in your build, it wouldn't give the best touch, but it's your choice. Like chandelier, or you can make these type of stuff with lanterns, which I love. I love like these good old touches. If you don't like these good old touches, these some good touches, nah, it doesn't make something good. You need to have like good looking lightings. Because of that, I told lanterns. And don't tell me there isn't a freaking cave around me. Can't you give me just a little good cave? Because of that only I was saying, guys, I'm not able to find good caves. I thought this would be which was my first cave, so I thought it would have something good. But caves are caves. They never try to be good. Yeah. I thought I'll not activate cheats so that I could come back easily. But they are trying. They are trying to force me. Use cheats. Use cheats. Because if you get lost, you'll use cheats. Is that a mountain? I could just make a beautiful mountain base. I am very good. But my base doesn't look bad at all. I love my base and it's the best. It looks like a basic, nothing best. I can improve it, but it's not bad also, no? Why no? Why need to improve it? I might improve the windows a bit because windows might look good. I'll add windows. That's my goal. One of them, because I really wanted a village, and this is here. I really need to take down the coordinates of this place, this beautiful palace. If it's a small village, I don't care. But I need a village to grow villagers. If there's no villagers, so how will I do stuff? You really need villagers, dude. Villagers can trade. We can trade diamond armors with them, dude. I like the most. Like, I really. Why does it? Oh, it hasn't spruce villagers outfit. Oh my gosh. It's so weird. Normal oak village and it has a spruce villages outfit. How different type of a village it is. Because it lives near a spruce village, I believe. It lives near a spruce something. What was it? Spruce forest, yeah. I mean tiger forest. This stupid didn't want me to come in his house. Don't tell me I'll never find a cave now. They have already trapped pigs for me to just breed them. Because I have carrots because of the bonus chest. And I also have beetroots. Yeah, because of the bonus chest. I mean bonus chest. Guys, is it fine with you if we do this as an exploration one? No, I think it would be good if we do caving only because we find a cave. Because I know, like, whenever I see a village, near it there is a cave, anything happens. So I was actually looking for a village as well. Oh, I forgot to take down the coordinates. I would be so mad then. I would be so mad that I haven't take down the coordinates and I would like really feel to slap myself. Wait, why is it lit so much? That's lava. It's saying that my cousin is down. Please go and save him. He's floating and don't let him be obsidian. But how Dixie knows that I'm going to make his brother only obsidian? And I might, but he is flowing. I can't do a flowing, but I would still don't kill him also. I just trap him. Wait, it's such a big one. Who likes so big range, dude? Actually, some people like who have less goal, and I think so. I should like it. Wait, where is my mother's phone? Yup. Because if I keep it in my grandmother's phone, because I have it also near, they would just delete it. Boom. Yup. It's saved. Oops. Oopsie, whoopsie, whoops. So this cave is going to be fully looted by the time we come. Because I know you guys really wanted me to do caving because I have promised. I think so you really wanted me. I think you mostly wanted me to do exploration. Oh my gosh, I do not have any simple sword also. What the heck I did? Can't I make a simple sword? I see. I think that was a skeleton, dude. Skeletons are good. Yeah, skeletons are not good. You stupid whoopee. You punch me, huh? You punch me. Do you call me to kill you? Yeah, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to be the great person who kills you. That you have heard of. The great Divudab. Actually, I really wanted to name myself Divudab, but it was not showing any girl. Like everyone has taken like this type of name, Divudab. Like people who had downloaded Minecraft more earlier than us, they get to get an advantage because they can name whatever they want, and we have a disadvantage because we can't name whatever we want. And that's the most worst of that thing because but that's actually true because person like people have to actually identify that's his friend, for that they can't put that type of a system. So like think and make games, they can't like Minecraft is like one of the most popularest game in the whole world. It has so much population, and don't tell me that this is also a wolf cave. Oh my god. If it is, nah, I'm not listening to this cave. I'm just leaving this place then. Please give me a good. Why is there a woods forest? I thought it could be fruits. Don't tell me we have to mine down till level 12. Yeah. Why can't God give me just a single good cave? Guys, pray in the next time when we go caving. I hopefully get good. I think so by the time I post my first episode, I would have netherite. My beloved wood. I actually want that, but I'm not taking it right now. Not beloved because I like dark oak more, but it's one of my favoriteest wood. So that this village was very useful to me. And to, so after some time, sorry villagers, you're going to be kidnapped. What? Yeah, I do Bhavishyavani. I tell you your future. Oh, you're only going to kidnap us. Yeah, you're going to get a better life, dude. Better jobs. Yeah, then you can leave your boring jobs at least. Oh my gosh, it's going to go. It's about to go night time, and I haven't find a single good cave. I think. What can we do now? Should we just transport the villagers to my village or my house? I mean, not my village. They could at least stay over there. Mm-hmm. Hey, let me sleep you. And that's such a cute kid. It's actually coming to me. Oh my gosh. Is that cat on its way? I think I'm going to tame a cat. It's going to be the cat who saves the villagers. Don't tell me this episode is going to be villager kidnapping time. I'm telling you this episode is going to be villager kidnapping. Villager, we are kidnapped today. Do I have a sign? Yep. I'll put it for them. It should look good, dude, always. What happened? Boom. Yeah. No. Yeah. Uh, let's make some sticks. This. 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 Now just I have to find a villager. Oops, just waiting for me, dude. Yeah, I was about to kidnap you. Yeah, that's very good. Thank you, my dude. It's going to be a rough time. I'll meet you when I reach there. Guys, when I was going, the villager did huh, and the cat did meow like they are talking. Please do not take my owner, and the villager saying yeah, please. But I said no, no, yeah, I don't have to go. He had done a crime, or I'm doing a crime. Yeah, but it's good for them, right? If I'm doing a crime, so then they are also doing a crime, forcing me to kidnap them, giving me so good traits. Now it makes a sense. I'm actually worse at boating. I should call my best friend awake. He figured out so easily that I say him the boat king. Like I never did it so easily that he learned it so easily. Oh my gosh, I'm actually literally worst at kidnapping villagers. Isn't there more? Isn't there more water? Oh, there is. I have to leave the boat. It's going to take me journeys to get it back home. Is my home there only? I actually have to see if it connects the ocean because my home is near ocean at last. Oh no, I think I should go like find a cave only today. Because I don't know where it doesn't, I don't know how to get it right now. One day I'll like what we'll do. I'll just release him right now. For now, I'll just release him for now. Yeah, you can go, Villager. I'll release him for now, and next time I'll come, I'll get a nether portal set up, and I will take him. First, I'm going to set up the nether portal. I'm going to go the highest point I can go, means like the bedrock side, and from that I'll connect my portal onto the bedrock. What we say, the almost to the bedrock layer up high. So that's my plan. It's going to take me so much time to find a like can't a god give me just a perfect cave so that I could just happy my viewers, or it would just cave, beautiful looking cave. Now what can I say for a cave if I say there's two caves? Yeah, not now for that. Because I think this will do it. Oh, this will not also. Don't tell me that. Yup, it goes down. Finally, a cave. Because I told you guys, I promised you guys there's going to be a caving episode. It's for my goods for one time. Because I know I'm a noob in caving. No, 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 no. This is called a pro. I knew that if it would blow up far away from me, because it happened with me one time, I was far away enough. Because I call myself a Minecraft pro, but I am. Because I won to the Minecraft competition which was happening in between Preston, Unspickable, GC plays. He's a very big redstone one. Like I didn't win, but I was about to win. If I would play a bit more, I could win. If I would play more, but I was out of my time to play like the whole day. If I'm sorry if I'm speaking so low, but actually my phone's mic is not that strong. Because of that, I get low sometimes. You stupid skeleton! I told you not to try to attack me. No, last time. I'm your god, God's god. Whew. This all iron is going to be good for me, but my iron is going to be again less. So I have to go make a strip mine as quick as I can. In real, I would have made it so early, but I wanted to beautify my world. My weak English, as always. Oops. Oopsie, doopsie, whoops. Let's go back up. Oopsie, doopsie, doops. Let's not go down there. Like, this is going to be the iron cave, dude. Yep, probably. Yeah, now I have to say that's a iron cave. How can't I? This is going to be again a long episode. You guys should remember my last episode was like 55 minutes long. If I want, I can just divide it into three and edit a bit part like hi guys or something. I can edit some different parts in the copy of my world. Yep, I have one copy. I just care about small worlds also. My world can get corrupted. I know that easily because there are entities. If you know, an entity attack came in my world, and they can always come back through my this account because I have only one this Mojang account. So I can just make a new one, but I don't want to because it's one of my famous accounts on Hypixel. And Hypixel, but it's one of my famous account. I know so much people connecting on this account with me. And if I actually have changed a lot of accounts till now, but not that much also. Oh, I have to get some more coal now. Coal, friend. Yep. I need torches for caving. That's my worst thing. Coal is so precious, and I care about coal when I run out. Like I'm about to run out. That I don't want to embarrass myself on videos. So I quickly, hidingly go mining and get coal. Actually, it happened one time. I was about to finish my coal. Because of that, I was like so embarrassed that I quickly went mining, but I didn't get enough. Because of that, I thought I would promise that I'm going to go caving in the next episode, or else it would be bad. Yep. I have to check again and again because of this master recorder. It hides itself in the corner, no? Why did I just went and I came at one place? Iron cave is back. Like this is like a luck cave, I should say. Luck. Villages are luck, I should say now. Because of that village, I ran to a different direction. Because if I have a compass right now, I could navigate to my spawn point, and my house is like so near my spawn point. Because I like my spawn point. That's the reason I made my house there. Except exploring, no, exploring. Or else I could have made my house near a village, or in a village, or a villager's house. Yep, come bro. I'm almost here to welcome you. Not you guys. Yep, half a heart damage. Always this tricks. Wait. From where is this creeper sound coming? I got scared. Why is there so many creepers? This isn't a ravine, right? Oh my gosh, is that a baby zombie? A baby zombie holding a big cobblestone block. How funny. Yeah, it can happen. Oops, what happened? Where am I? See, I told you there are entities in the world. I just got teleported to a cave. No, it's just some gravel. Some stupid gravel. Not gravel, I'm not stupid. Because one time I said some stupid. See? Glitches. Just kidding, actually, there's no entities in my world. That was for some fun and spider. Don't become Phantom MC. You know Phantom MC Legacy SMP1, he killed a spider, cave spider because they had that mod, what we say, the head mod. Because of that he got the head mod and he should say himself a spider gang member. Spider gang. A Spider-Man. I love that. I love Legacy SMP because I just have fun. You should have actually have fun. That's the most biggest reason you play Minecraft. You do not have fun only to play Minecraft. So what's the reason you're playing only it, bro? If you do not have fun, no one is forcing you. I do not just have fun in Creeper exploring. But I know the trick. Just be away from them. Boom. A dead end. It's this cave is like most very near it, that place, like level 12, but it isn't reaching there. And if I do not reach there, how I'm going to go back? I'm more scared about that. Who cares about if they die? They're more scared that they do not lose their home. They have work days to make and minutes also. I remember work minutes, the whole minutes. I'm feeling the cave is there. Some cave is behind this. Oh my gosh, don't tell this cave also like it's the dead end. Gaddar. Oh, not Gaddar. Yeah, I know I'm using a bit Hindi. I am not the best. I can only talk my best English with my friends. I have a spirit. Everyone has different at last. I'm a bit different. I can only talk my best English to impress my friends. Hey, see, man. Like I talk my best English to just impress my friends. Ambika or something. I Mark, he is from Philippines. He born in Bombay. He went to Philippines to study, and now he speaks so heavy English that I'm not able to understand him anything what he says. But I learned from him, and now I'm so good at speaking English. But I get sometimes nervous also while recording. Everybody has a nervousy level when they start something new. I'll meet you guys in. Guys, so I'm here. I did a lot of mining. You can see I have 64 iron, 64 coal blocks. So bye. I'll meet you when I reach home, but in the next episode.